Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time we're gonna do another string technique because I like it. I think it's nice. It's hard to go wrong. Well, we have to tell though, it's a bit harder to do with the string because there's no place for mistake. You have to do it one shot deal. If not, you have to start over and do like I always do. I like best when you do a background black. I think it's nicer. I think it gives more a finish. So the rope I'm gonna use, it's gonna be that one. Kind of a big one, if you see my finger next to it. So I'm gonna take quite a big canvas. It's gonna be higher. So I think it's gonna be nice. Of course we have to try it. In the acrylic I'm only gonna dilute it with water since if possible I don't want cells, or at least the least possible cells. So let's go and try it and let's come back at the end to talk about it. Let's go. Okay guys, so I don't know about you, but I think the result is great. I think it's very nice. I think it's what I wanted. I never, well, I won't say I never use pink color for acrylic, but I think that I only use it once or twice in the hundreds of painting that I make. I'm not very big on pink, but you know what? It's very nice. I'm very glad of the finish. Like you saw from the picture when I just showed you, I'm supposed to, because as I'm speaking to you, I just finished it, but as soon as it's going to be dry, I'm going to put some white just to make the colors even more brighter. So I think it's going to be nicer, and it's to define more the details, should I say. So I think it's nice. I think it's a very nice technique. With the big rope, I think it gives you even a better finish, a better look of the flower. So either way, it's a question of taste, like always, guys. So I hope you're gonna try it because it's fun. It's fun. You have to not stress while doing it, let's just say, because like I said before, you can correct it. It's easier to correct, like you saw what I did when there were some spots of pink here and there. It's easier when the background is black, because black, it's easy to cover with the black any kind of color afterwards. So I think it gives you a chance just for a few mistakes. So guys, I hope you enjoy. I hope you're gonna try it, like I said, because it's a very nice technique. It's hard to go wrong with this technique. And please guys, subscribe, come and join us on Facebook. We can always talk, and of course on Instagram. So guys, thanks for being here, and like always, please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next painting video. Take care guys. Ciao.